just landing in LA. Pulled up to our place to stay. While we gon' be sleeping. We got a queen and a double. Out in LA making trouble. Treating them good as a model. Drinking it straight from the bottle. All these people in my condo. Burning liquor, have a couple. Take a shot, I'll do a couple. All she wanna do is cuddle. We got a queen and a double. Out in LA making trouble. Treating them good as a model. Drinking it straight from the bottle. All these people in my condo. Burning liquor, have a couple. Take a shot, I'll do a couple. All she wanna do is cuddle.
Don't know why you're changing. Got the A6 on cause I rate them. Pull up to the manor with the keys in my hand and a bottle that we keep in the basement. Pop parties always get loud. Big bass on the sound. New girl when I like her, I'll invite her to come round. Yo, yeah, let me talk up. Better pull up to the manor with a full cup. When I get to the home, got a heads up. Then I'm back to the manor with a shortcut, yo. Yeah, let me face it. Touchdown with a bang, we're not basic. Can't chat to me about wasting. Get back to the block when I make it.
Touchdown in Los Angeles, I'm flexing. Just text this girl, hope she gets the message. Hope she don't swerve and ignore the message. What you wanna eat, don't get high expensive. Where'd you wanna go? 90210. Pick you up at 6 and see where it goes. Never seen a model, drink straight from the bottle. Pushing on my throttle, on this couch we